Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use your PLUXEE card on Amazon. Before adding the card to Amazon, the first thing you need to do is make sure that online transactions are enabled on your PLUXEE card. Open the PLUXEE app or log into your PLUXEE account through the official website. Navigate to your card section and look for the option called Manage and tap on that. Then select Transaction Limits and look for the options related to online usage or e-commerce transactions. Make sure these options are turned on. If online payments are disabled, Amazon will not be able to process transactions using your card. Once online transactions are enabled, open the Amazon app on your mobile device or visit the Amazon website on your computer. Sign into your Amazon account if you are not already logged in. Next, go to the Account section and find the option called Your Payments or Payment Methods. This is where Amazon stores all of your payment information. Look for the option that says Add a Payment Method and select Add a Credit or Debit Card. Now enter the details from your PLUXEE card. Type the 16-digit card number, enter the expiration date, and then add the CVV security code found on the card. Double-check that all the information is entered correctly and then save the card to your Amazon account. After the card has been added successfully, you can start shopping. Add eligible products to your Amazon cart and proceed to checkout when you are ready to place the order. On the payment page, select your saved PLUXEE card from the list of available payment methods. Review your order details and complete the purchase. If the transaction is approved, your order will be placed successfully and the payment will be charged to your PLUXEE card. Thanks for watching.